I have a session on product owner challenges and setting business objectives in an agile project. The product owner roles are more about he is like a sponsor or a CXO or a mentor and a project director for the whole project. He is solely responsible for steering the entire project from the beginning to the end. So I'm going to talk about what is the project owner profile, what are his inspirations, what the project owner should have as competencies, that is knowledge, skill and trait in terms of leadership, participation, tactical duties, the difference between a product owner and a chief product owner. We are going to also discuss about how the product owner sets up goals for the project depending upon the organizational objectives. Setting up the goal using various methods like balance a scorecard, where you start with the vision, mission, activities, strategy, game plan, coming to the project goals and the team goals. And then we discuss the metrics that should be measured in support of achieving the goals. Then we progress to 7 challenges of the product owner. We are going to talk about distributed locations of the product owner. We are talking about what are his challenges in competencies, team management, product release, quality related areas, empowerment, and product backlog management. So once these challenges, we'll elaborate in detail about where the product owner has to focus, and then we'll discuss some roles of the product owner which are successful and which are disastrous. Finally, we end up the session with how a 8D success formula can help a product owner to achieve his goals successfully. That is dream and desire, and then determination, and then discipline, direction, design, deploy, and drive to destination. This is in brief the summary of which I am going to focus about the role of the product owner in agile projects. I would say the top 3 points of the product owner from this particular talk would be understand the role and the profile of the product owner. The second one is the key competencies of the product owner with respect to knowledge, skill and traits in playing different roles like tactical, leadership and participation. And the third one is to set project objectives of the project very clearly with the team and manage his various challenges. Agile is one of the ways, methodologies and framework where software development can successfully be executed. You can also apply various concepts to Agile like Six Sigma, which is based on numbers and metrics, measurement programs, which are very critical to knowledge, growth, return on investments. You can also use various other methods like balanced scorecard, goal-driven measurements, setting up the vision of the organization, and then deriving the project objectives and goals from the organizational vision and mission. Every project, a project is basically profit injection. That's called project, and every project contributes to the organization. So I would like to explain people about they should always look at value which a project generates and delivers to their organization so that the organization finally benefits out of it. South Africa, as the Agile conference says, it's a learning continent. They're doing great, and I'm very happy to know that a lot of Agile projects are happening over here. There are fantastic speakers, and for the community, I would suggest to take maximum advantage, some key points from each speaker and apply it in their work. And Agile can also be applied in your personal life. So have a good workshop and enjoy the conference.